In the world of luxury watercraft, the Blackbird boat concept stands out as a revolutionary blend of automotive engineering and cutting-edge nautical design. This visionary vessel doesn't just aim to redefine what a boat can look like, it challenges the entire notion of what a high-performance watercraft can be. Drawing deep inspiration from the automotive world, the Blackbird concept promises to bring style, speed, and sophistication to the water like never before, with a design that combines high-tech innovation and sustainable luxury. The Blackbird boat concept represents a bold departure from traditional boat designs, featuring a sleek, aerodynamic profile that mirrors the curves and precision of a high-performance sports car. Created by Blackbird, a company renowned for its forward-thinking approach to design, this vessel seamlessly fuses the principles of automotive engineering with the world of maritime performance. By applying streamlined forms, cutting-edge materials, and engineering excellence, the Blackbird reimagines how boats can perform, much like how car manufacturers continuously push the envelope of automotive design. With its low-slung, dynamic silhouette and aggressive lines, the Blackbird is as much a work of art as it is a functional boat. The design is not just about visual appeal, every angle and curve serves a purpose. The hydrodynamic hull is meticulously crafted to reduce drag, enhance speed, and deliver a smoother ride, ensuring that the Blackbird is as efficient on the water as it is stunning to look at. Like the finest sports cars, the Blackbird boat concept is designed to impress not only with its performance but with its luxurious interior. Premium materials, such as carbon fiber, top-tier leather, and cutting-edge finishes, combine to create a cabin that's more akin to a floating luxury lounge than a traditional boat. The cockpit is a minimalist masterpiece, inspired by the dashboards of futuristic cars, offering a high-tech interface that allows for intuitive control of all the boat's key functions. This design philosophy extends beyond aesthetics, as every element of the interior is crafted with precision and purpose. The result is a space that offers comfort and sophistication, making it a perfect setting for both leisurely cruising and high-speed adventures on the water. Performance is where the Blackbird truly shines, combining automotive-grade engineering with advanced maritime technology. Built for speed and agility, this concept boat promises thrilling acceleration and precision handling, providing a driving experience that rivals the most exclusive sports cars. Although technical details on the engine and propulsion system are still under wraps, the boat's sleek design suggests that it's engineered for high performance, with the ability to deliver exhilarating top speeds and exceptional handling in various water conditions. Whether slicing through waves at top speed or carving sharp turns, the Blackbird is designed to provide the same level of excitement and precision that car enthusiasts expect from a luxury sports vehicle, only now that performance is translated to the water. As the demand for eco-conscious luxury vehicles grows, the Blackbird boat concept is also positioning itself as a leader in sustainable design. The boat incorporates environmentally friendly technologies, such as electric propulsion systems and eco-conscious materials, without sacrificing performance or style. This blend of luxury and sustainability makes the Blackbird not only a stunning watercraft but a responsible choice for forward-thinking boaters. The boat's electric propulsion system, in particular, aligns with the growing trend of clean energy in both the automotive and maritime industries. This commitment to sustainability ensures that the Blackbird is as kind to the environment as it is exciting to operate, offering a glimpse into the future of high-performance, eco-friendly boating. The Blackbird boat concept is more than just a stunning design, it's a glimpse into the future of boating. The fusion of automotive design and nautical engineering sets a new precedent for what luxury watercraft can be, challenging traditional ideas of boat design and performance. By drawing inspiration from the high-performance sports car world, the Blackbird promises to offer an exhilarating driving experience on the water, combined with the luxury and sophistication that modern boaters demand. In conclusion, the Blackbird boat concept is poised to disrupt the world of luxury watercraft with its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to sustainability. This futuristic vessel blends the best of automotive-inspired performance with nautical elegance, offering boaters a new level of excitement and refinement on the water. For those seeking the next frontier in luxury boating, the Blackbird represents a perfect union of style, speed, and sustainability, a true game-changer in the world of performance watercraft.